1972 Ford Ranchero, the best of muscle and utility. The 1972 Ford Ranchero is a unique blend of muscle car performance and pickup truck utility, making it one of the most distinctive vehicles of its era. Based on the Ford Torino platform, the Ranchero featured bold styling with a wide front grille, sculpted body lines, and aggressive stance, embodying the muscle car spirit of the early 70s. Under the hood, the Ford 1972 Ranchero offered a range of engines, from the base 250 cubic inch inline 6 to the powerful 429 cubic inch V8, producing up to 205 horsepower in standard form or significantly more in performance-tuned versions. Buyers could choose between a 3-speed manual, 4-speed manual, or 3-speed automatic transmission, making it as versatile as it was stylish. With its combination of muscle car performance and practical truck bed, the 72 Ranchero was the perfect choice for drivers who wanted both power and utility. Today, it remains a classic favorite among collectors and enthusiasts.